Hey everyone, Christiane from the Cooking RX. So today we're going to go over the newest, most fun accessory from Thermomix, the Spiralizer. In my last video, we went through the unboxing of the Spiralizer, so I'll put a link to that in the description below. If you'd like to follow along, you'll need your Thermomix Cutter, your Spiralizer, and your TM6 or TM5. Today I'll be showing you how to use a potato, zucchini, cucumber, and a carrot, all in the Spiralizer. So step 1 is to insert the shaft that came with the Thermomix Cutter into the mixing bowl, as well as the basket that came with the cutter. Step 2 is to choose which Spiralizer blade you would like to use, number 1 or number 2. Step 3 is to place the lid on top. Then, using the Thermomix touchscreen, find the spiralizing mode on the TM6. If you have a TM5, you'll just go ahead and turn the knob to speed 4. After turning the knob, insert the fruit or vegetable of your choice onto the top and press down. Remove the lid and then you can remove the basket. As you can see, we've made thin zucchini noodles, or zoodles. It's really incredible how long these are. Next, we'll try using a carrot. You can use potatoes to make really long shoestring fries. Next, we'll try a cucumber. These thin cucumber noodles are perfect for salad. Now we'll switch the blade to the black blade, which produces thick ribbons. Same as before, just insert the fruit or vegetable on the top and press down. Now you'll see that this blade makes a thicker ribbon. We'll do the same thing with zucchini. I hope you've enjoyed this Spiralizer tutorial. You can make a lot of creations and experiment with different fruits and vegetables. Be sure to follow me for more tutorials on all things Thermomix.